Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got issue 101 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so I had to order this. This didn't come in my newsagents. I had to order this direct from Hachette. And if you had the same problem, it is still in stock at Hachette. As I'm doing this video, it is still in stock in Hachette. So get on over there and you can order this for yourself rather than pay the inflated eBay prices. So let me show you what we're doing in this one. So we're pretty much finishing off the left foot. We've got the screw. That's all we need out of here is a screw just to fit the foot. And yeah, that's the left leg complete, and we're starting to move on to the actual chest part. As you can see here, that's what we get is mainly the parts for the chest. So to start off with, we're going to get this part, put the foot onto the bottom of the leg just there. We're going to be putting a screw just in there. As you can see, we're going to be attaching these two pistons at the side, putting the screw in, and then we can attach the final piston after we've done that, and that is the left leg all complete. We're then moving on to the chest area, so uncharted territory. So we're starting off the chest by making these two different sets of pistons, one slightly longer than the other. All we've got to do is put these parts on the ends of these. And as we flip the page, we're going to be putting these in here. We are going to be gluing them in. These don't get screwed into these plates, so we're going to be gluing these into the plates. The shorter one goes here at the front and a longer one at the back. We're going to do that times two because we've got two plates. And yeah, that's all we've got to do in this issue. And these two plates will carry on over to issue 102. Which in 102, look at that. I don't know if you can see that from there. But look, we actually do get the chest plate, some springs and some little details there as well. So yeah, really looking forward to that issue. Okay, so waiting on this issue. It did put me a couple of weeks behind. So there will be a few Terminator issues this week to catch me back up. So yeah, without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. So we've got the parts out of the packaging, and that right there, that little screw is the only thing we needed to finish the left leg. So let's bring in the left leg. As you can see, we've got all the pistony parts there. So the first thing we've got to do is actually attach the left leg. So let's get that on. We're going to be pushing that onto there. Then we can take these two side pistons and actually clip them onto there just like that. Then that screw is going just in this hole here. So let's get that in now. Secure that all the way down. Just like so. And then the final step to do to complete the left leg is just push this very last piston in. And there you go. We've got the left leg attached, and that is the left leg all complete onto the chest parts. Okay, so now we're moving on to the chest area. We're going to start making up the chest pistons, the one that come out the side of it. So we've got the two longer piston parts first and these two end stops. So these just slot over the ends. It is a tight fit, but you'll feel the click once you get them in. So you need to do that with both of these, just like so. And that's them two done. And then you can do it again with the smaller ones as well. So push them in. One and two, just like so. Okay, so now we're going to actually attach these to these side plates. So the smaller of the two goes here at the front, away from this sort of cut out edge. So this is going to slot down into there. And the larger one is going to go at the back. So we're also going to need to glue these in. So I do have a little reservoir of glue just there. So let's get the glue on the cocktail stick and get this all the way around. So we want to glue this pretty much all the way around, really. And once you've done that, you can lower this down into the actual area it's going, just like so. There is, as you can see on the underside, the hole for it to go into just there. So make sure you get that located properly, otherwise you'll have a wonky piston, which you don't want. So that's that one in there. And now the longer one we're going to put at the back. So again, let's get some glue on that all the way around. Take that, and then we're going to lower that down into there. Again, making sure that is lined up perfectly, which it has. It's gone through the hole, which is what we want. And there we are. We need to mirror that again with the other plate that we've got. So I'm going to put this one to the side, bring in the next one, and let's repeat that. So grab this one and my cocktail stick. We're going all the way around the bottom with that. So let's get this in again, and again we are going this side here with the smaller one, and at the top edge here, just apply that glue onto there, and then down into the hole. Hold that for a few seconds, and there you are. That's our 2 plates ready to be installed in the next issue. So the next issue is the actual chest plate, which we've got, which I do have here. So that one will be coming up tomorrow. So there you go, guys. That is issue 101 all complete, and it is really, really nice to be back on parts we haven't built again before. Can get a bit repetitive doing 2 sides the same, obviously, because you've already done one arm. When you do the other arm, it gets repetitive. Same with the legs. So it's nice that pretty much all the issues that we've got left of the Terminator we haven't done before, because there's only actually, I think we get to about issue 107, 108, and that's the Terminator finished. We don't do any more on the Terminator. We're just building the base after that for another 13, 14 issues. So yeah, in a couple of issues time, the actual Terminator will be built. So as I said before, I do have issues 102 here. I also do have issue 103 here as well. So I will be doing them. I'll probably do issue 102 for tomorrow, and we'll have 103 for Monday. Also, I have to say a massive thank you to everyone out there, because my channel actually passed 1,000 subscribers last week. So a massive, massive thank you to every single one of my subscribers. It means the world that you've clicked that subscribe button. So thank you all very much. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.